Hello again, Panthers. Welcome back to our Parker Dewey Micro-Internship Program webinar series. In this video, we will do a walkthrough on how to create and set up your account, as well as looking at some of the opportunities available and how to apply to them. The first thing we need to do is go to the link provided and click on the Sign Up Now button. This will take you to a page where you will need to provide basic account details such as your full name, your email, and create your password. In our case, we already have an account, so let's see how that looks like on the other end. Once we're here, the first thing that will be shown are all of the opportunities. However, in order to apply to anything, we must set up a profile first. So we'll come back to this later. Let's go ahead and click on the button at the right upper corner over here greeting us. We will click on the profile. Here, you will see your profile and different tabs to modify it. The first thing you want to do is, as usual, make sure you have your full name and professional headshot. A professional headshot is key and can really separate your profile from another in the eyes of an employer. You may also include other details, but for now, let's move on to the section below. Here, you will be asked about you. Make sure to include a statement, certifications, affiliations, skills, professional interests, availability, and any other relevant links. LinkedIn is especially a good one in this case. After saving your changes and going back to the top, you should also add relevant professional experiences, education experiences, and last but not least, include your resume or CV. This last one is particularly important because of all of the opportunities will require it at the time of application. Now is a good time to go back to the main page by clicking on Dashboard or Back to Opportunities. Once you're there, make sure to filter out your search with the remote opportunities. As you scroll down, you will see different companies offering micro-internship opportunities relating to marketing, human resource, finance, and many more. When you click on any micro-internship that you are interested in, you'll see a lot of information about the posting. First, you'll see the name of the micro-internship and where it is located along the name of the company. Under that, you will find the department the micro-internship pertains to, as well as the start date and the due date. You will also see a job and a company description, as well as the payment for completing your project. Lastly, on the top right corner, you will see a star icon where you can favorite the micro-internship. This will save the opportunity under a different tab where you can easily access it later. After you have applied, you can find your finished applications under the Applications tab. If and when you are hired, you can access the internship through the Hired tab. The Completed tab will hold any of the projects you have finished. Lastly, you can communicate through the Message tab with different companies. That is all for this video, Panthers. Thank you for watching.